Hi you guys, it's Lynnea for LDRS Creative, and today I have a video that's inspired by the theme Winter Wonderland. So I'm going to be using a couple of stamp sets. I'm using the Frozen Fun stamp set and also the Otterly Lovable stamp set. This little igloo is from the Otterly Lovable stamp set. I'm just going to color this in with my alcohol markers using 2 shades of light gray. And then from the Frozen Fun stamp set, I'm going to stamp the little bear with the ice skates, a sled, and like a little patch of ice, or it could be like a little icy on water or something like that. So I'm just going to color in this little igloo using some simple shading, nothing really fancy. For my background, I'm using my favorite piece of paper from the Christmas Cottage pattern paper pack. This is my last piece of this pattern from the paper pack. I've been hoarding it and keeping it and admiring how beautiful it is, and it's time to use it. So I die cut a piece of white cardstock using the Over the Hills die from LDRS Creative. Now I'm pretty sure that this die is meant to be used for like grassy hills, but I thought why not have it be snowbanks? So I die cut that from white cardstock. I'm going to tuck that little extra bank down behind the others just for a little bit of dimension. And I'm just arranging all of my little colored pieces onto the snowbank. I have a sentiment from the Frozen Fun stamp set, and I'm going to line this up where I want it to be on my snowbank, kind of off to the left-hand side. And then I'll use the LDRS Creative Hybrid ink in Raven to stamp this off onto the left side. And then I'm going to start gluing all of my little pieces on. You can see here I added another little chunk of snow and some ice to the little igloo. I thought that that would just kind of add a little bit more interest to the card. Since this is fairly simple, I wanted to add little details to kind of liven it up a little bit. So one of those details is just a little bit of glitter. I'm adding that to the bear and his scarf and his ice skates, and then also to the igloo. I'm going to add white gems to the centers of all of these snowflakes in my background, and this really does add a lot of shine to this background and a lot of interest. I love how these little gems make those snowflakes kind of come to life. And that's going to be all to finish my card. I'll show you a close-up here in just a minute. I really hope that you enjoyed this clean and simple card and a way to use some of your Christmas products from LDRS Creative. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.